plays his fiddle, I just go on a spree. It's a cinch that every time I go on the air, I just look around and find old Rob Moth there.
Every time I think that I'm about to have fun, Eddie brings his 5 kids in. I think he's a bum.
Though we razz each other, it's all in song as we merrily roll.